Hello, dear students of 9C. Good morning. I think you have some doubts, some problems in this factorization, especially the factorization based on factor theorem. Dear, I would like to explain one thing before starting this factorization. How can you say 3 is the factor of 12? Then the answer of this question will be, you will divide the 12 by 3 if the remainder is coming 0. Then you can say yes, 3 is the factor of 12, and definitely 3 4s are 12, right. So, it is a kind of confirmation test. Similarly, in algebra there is a method to factorize the polynomials of degree 3 or more than 3, that is using factor theorem, right. There are some limitations, but I would like to tell you how to solve such questions. Actually, the questions are, so many questions are given. I have taken out of that one, that is x cube minus 2x square minus x plus 2. Remember one thing, if the factor, if the given polynomial is of degree 3, then maximum number of factors will be 3. Maybe there are 3 factors of 1 degree, maybe 2 factors are there, one factor is of 1 degree and next factor is of 2 degree, right. So, these are the possibilities. So, let us start this question. Let us consider f x equals to x cube minus 2x square minus x plus 2. The first method to solve such question, you need to find the factors of constant term. The constant term is 2. So, factors of 2 is 1 and 2. So, we are free to take the value of x as plus minus 1 or x equals to plus minus 2. Means once you can take x equals to plus 1, or you may take x equals to minus 1, you may take x equals to plus 2, or you may take x equals to minus 2, right. Since some numbers are given, 4 terms are given, in that one numeral part, literal part, both the parts are given there. Actually, some terms are negative and some terms are positive. So, there is no hard and fast rule. As per the experience, I am going to take x equals to minus 1. That is up to you, perfectly that is up to you. You will decide, right, because 4 values are there. So, I have taken x equals to minus 1. By putting x equals to minus 1, f minus 1, this is minus 1 whole cube plus minus 2, instead of x again minus 1 and this is minus 1. I have kept the minus 1 instead of x. Now, minus cube of minus 1 is minus 1, the square of minus 1 is plus 1, again minus 1 and this, right. So, it is plus 1 and this is plus 2. Now, minus 1 minus 2 plus 1 plus 2 minus 1 minus 2, it is minus 3 plus 1 plus 2 plus 3, both are equal in magnitude and opposite in sign. So, it is 0, since remainder is 0, right. Therefore, we have taken x equals to minus 1, we will transfer the minus 1 to the left side, and then we can say yes, x plus 1 is a factor of given polynomial f x. We have taken the f x as this, x cube minus 2x square minus x plus 2, is it. So, till this step you all are confirmed, yes, x plus 1 is the factor, because x equals to minus 1 is the 0, as we have done the questions, find the value. Since the given polynomial is of degree 3, the degree of the given polynomial is 3. So, we will write the factor x plus 1 3 times, x plus 1, x plus 1, x plus 1. Remember one thing, we will put some space. So, I kept the space x plus 1, this is space, and then x plus 1 and space and x plus 1. Actually, I have completed this, just I am trying to explain this. So, in between the space I have written something, and how I wrote that I would like to explain that. Actually, in the first factor we will try to find the first one term. First one term is x cube. So, query is there is a simple question, by which term this x should be multiplied to get the x cube, and I think this x should be multiplied by x square to get the x cube. Whenever you will multiply this x by x square, this will be x cube. Multiply this x square to 1, this is x square. But in the given question, the second term is minus 2x square and we are having plus x square. So, we will go to the next term. So, and we will multiply the next term by minus 3x. When you will multiply this by minus 3x, this will be minus 3x square. I did this because I need to find minus 2x square. Whenever plus x square will be added to the minus 3x square, overall this will be minus 2x square. That is why I multiplied the second term by minus 3x, and again multiply this one also by minus 3x. So, this is minus 3x. Now, we are having minus 3x, and as per the question this should be minus x. To make this minus 3x as minus x, there need of plus 2x. So, we will multiply the next term by plus 2. When we will multiply this by plus 2x, this will be plus 2x and the last term will be plus 2. Means last term will be adjusted itself, no need to adjust that one. Actually, division method of this division is known as horizontal division method, and this underline, this portion which I did, actually this underlined portion is the calculation work, rough calculation. Then to write this one you may use the pencil. Only for the explanation part I have written there, you need not to show this step in the examination. If you like to write this one to confirm your answer, you can use the pencil. Now, the given polynomial x cube minus 2x square minus x plus 2 was written in this format, and this is the expanded form of that given polynomial. Now, just check this step. There is a common factor in these 3 steps, and that is x plus 1. Just take the common as x plus 1. If you have taken x plus 1 as the common, remaining terms are x square minus 3x and plus 2, right. So, now we have 2 factors, one factor of degree 1 and this is the factor of degree 2. But in this 2 degree factor, there is a possibility of factorization by using splitting of middle term, because factors of 2 are 2, 1. So, instead of minus 2 1 are 2 and 2 plus 1 3. So, middle term can be splitted as minus 2x minus x. Now, number of terms are 4. Make the group of first 2 terms and the last 2 terms and take the common as x in the first one, that and remaining is x minus 2. Take the minus 1 common in between these 2, then remaining x minus 2, again taking the common as x minus 2. So, remaining terms are x and this is minus 1. You can check this. There are 3 factors and this is the final result of the given question. In the beginning I told you the given question is of 3 degree. So, the maximum number of factors will be 3. Yes, sometimes maybe 2 factors are there, one of 1 degree and next one of 1 degree, right. If 2 factors, then one factor of 1 degree, next factor of 2 degree. If 3 factors are given and degree is 3, means each and every factor will be of 1 degree. This is the complete solution of such questions. Please go through the question again. At the end of the day, I will forward one more video to understand this concept, right. Thank you very much for watching this video. If any other queries are there, let me know via WhatsApp, and definitely on demand of you people, I will make the videos throughout, right. Thank you very much. Bye bye. Take care.